Fix a connecting to printer message for the HP DeskJet and HP Envy 6100 and 6500 printer series. If you are trying to print in Windows and you encounter a connecting to printer message that stays on the screen, or a message that states we couldn't print because there doesn't seem to be a printer installed, then follow these steps to fix the problem. The solution for this error is to run Windows Update, restart the printer and computer, remove the printer from your computer, and then re-add the printer using the HP Smart App. If you do not have the HP Smart App, you can get it for free from the App Store or from 123.hp.com. Step 1. Run Windows Update in Windows 11. In Windows, search for and open Check for Updates. Click Check for Updates to install available updates. After all updates install, restart your computer. Step 2. Restart your devices. Press the power button to turn the printer off. Disconnect the power cord from the printer, and then disconnect it from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Turn the computer off, and then turn it back on. If the printer connects to a network, make sure the printer and the computer are connected to the same network. Step 3. Remove and re-add the printer. In Windows, search for and open Printers and Scanners. Select the printer, and then click Remove. Open the HP Smart App, right-click the printer, and then select Hide Printer. Select Hide Printer again to confirm. To re-add the printer in the HP Smart App, select Add Printer on the home screen and follow the prompts to install the printer. Try to print. If you encounter an Unable to Connect message, click the Connect to Printer link. In the dialog box that opens, click the Connect to Printer button. You should now be able to print.